Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button screen recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can open its settings. You can change sound source, you can change video quality, you can change selfie video size, you can show taps and touches, and you can save screen recordings in you can select where they will be saved. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Here you can select sound source and then tap start recording. And after the countdown, recording starts. As you can see, it's on. Here you can enable this front camera viewfinder. You can also draw something on the screen, make some marks. You can pause the recording, then play it again. And when you're done recording, to stop it, just tap on this square icon. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the special album called Screen Recordings. And from here you can favorite, edit, share, delete your recording, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.